Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Briefing with Brie, and today I have another unboxing. So this one right here is from Nancy. I just wanted to make sure. This one is from Nancy. I have no idea where she got this box from, but I love it. I love that it says made in LA and it says fragile. I mean, I guess it's not really for the fragile, but it's more for the made in LA. I kind of want to save it because it's pink, and two, it says made in LA. You can't go wrong with LA. I lived in San Diego most of my life, but my mom is an LA girl. She is from LA. I was born in Santa Monica, lived in LA for a little bit, and then when my dad was stationed in San Diego, that's when we moved, and so my family stayed in LA and we all moved down to San Diego. And now it's the other way around, and most of my family lives in kind of like San Diego and LA. It's kind of split up, but I'm right in the middle. So anyway, that's a little life story about me. And so anyway, let's go ahead and get into it. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up real quick off camera, and then we will go ahead and see what she has gifted for her entry. Okay, so here is the box. I don't know what she ordered, but I love the box. I'm loving this whole pink, and then the inside is this really pretty like sherbet yellow, orange. Oh, hello, it's right there, ColourPop. I'm not surprised. ColourPop always has really bright colors. Okay, so here it is. I'll go ahead and set this over here real quick. I'm gonna go ahead and take everything out like I usually do. She's made a little embellishment book. I'm all excited. Okay, so there's that. All right, you guys, so I received these, I believe, right before I went out of town for the weekend. So these have been sitting for a little bit, but I looked at all three boxes because I had 3 boxes in the mailbox when I got back, and they are all from around me, so that's exciting. I always love seeing that there are crafters in the area. She has, okay, hold on. She literally made a custom name, like little, you know those wood pieces that you would buy from the store? She's made it out of pink cardstock, and she put Garden Party layered on top and embellished it with some flowers and rosette and butterflies, the 3 things that I love. So let's go on with the 3D projects. Look at how cute this is. I can't wait to put this up. So pretty. So here's the bee. She has these handmade flowers. Look at how chunky this one is here. And again, she used this metal like center. I don't know where they got those from. And then she has this handmade rolled flower, and then this one right here as well. I love how she decorated these. Here's the R. She put a rosette here, and then she even has this mini heart shaker on there. You guys know me and my shakers. I love sequins or anything that shines or any kind of bling. So there's that one. And here's the E. She has this layered butterfly, which actually I think I ordered this die, or if I didn't, it's sitting in my cart. I need to order that. But there's this butterfly die, and then she has this really pretty swan die. I love the size of it. And then another rolled flower. And then on each of them, she has actually added some of these gold halfback stickers on each of the letters. So that is there. I think this one came off. So there is the brie. Look at how pretty that is. Like, I kind of want to use this just for videos, but I don't want it to get damaged. Okay. And then she also has a card, which again, I will read offline, but look at, or offline, off camera, but look at how cute this card is. It's gold, and it's a little cat, and it's pink. And she put my name here on the front with some mint glittered stickers that I think she probably got from Hobby Lobby, because I definitely have those in my sticker stash. And here is her little embellishment book. She did add her entries in here. And here is her Instagram, Paperbowlover. I will make sure to have it on the title as well as linked down below, so that way you guys can check her out. She does make the cutest projects. And then here is her spine. She has this like blue lace, and then she has this champagne colored heart trim in the middle. Really pretty. And she's layered gold cardstock on top of the pink base, and then some garden party paper. And here is the front cover. She has more of that that butterfly die cut, and she has layered the bottom piece with some vellum. She has this really pretty bow embellishment on top, and added this pink button, some of these iridescent rhinestones, pink pom-pom trim, and then some chipboard and puffy stickers on top. And she's even added tulle. I love all the textures on here. She has vellum, she has tulle, she has clear stickers, washi tape, rhinestones, pearls, everything. I just love everything about this, and I love the size too. It's not huge or anything, it's just the perfect size. So inside she has some really chunky, look at how thick that foam is, words. So this one says flourish, spring, glow, grow, not glow, grow and bloom. And she has done the shadow with one of the pattern papers from the Garden Party collection, and it matches that foam that she die cut. I did not know that dies can cut through that thick of a foam. That's insane. It's so chunky, I love it. And then here she has some bows. And these bows have little hearts on the outer edges. I wonder where she got this bow from. It's really cute. And then she's added some gold glittered rhinestones in the middle, and then butterfly dangles at the bottom. And then here she's added some butterfly embellishments. Again, a different kind of butterfly, which I am so excited for because I love having variation. So this is going to be really fun to have in my stash. And then right here she has one of those pockets that you can get from the Target One Spot when school, like back to school is coming out, or like when they have the back to school stuff out. And she's included this really pretty mix. Look at how pretty this sequin mix is from that she has for the garden party. It really goes with this collection. So here's the front, and it just goes so well. I love this, giving me inspiration on making my own mix. Thank you, Nancy, for this. I love this. Can't wait to message her that I opened her package, because like I said, it's been here, so I'm just finally getting to it. But there's her sequin mix, and then more butterflies on this side. And then this time she's actually done the opposite. So here she has one of them where the pattern paper is on top of the gold glitter. And then here she actually has gold glitter on the back. And then she did one again here that was different, where she did the gold glitter on top and the pattern paper on the back. And then her last embellishment here is some rosettes. So she has a ephemera piece right here on this rosette. She has some tulle, diamond dots, rhinestones, and then a chipboard piece on top. She even has some of the puffy stickers on the back and front here. Sorry if you guys can't see. I'm trying to I'm trying to like get a close-up look of it. I forgot I was not on camera. And then right here she has two chipboard pieces, a puffy sticker. She added some tulle in the back, and then this, I think, yeah, is also a puffy sticker. And then she's added a little rhinestone in the bow, and then she's glittered up some of the chipboard as well, and the little ephemera. I don't know if you guys can see the glitter on the roof, and then here she added it to the leaves. Yeah, so those are her embellishments. I love this embellishment book, and I love all the embellishments. This right here is so special. It is personalized, and it is also very well embellished. It's not like over the top. It's very simple. You could still see the letters, but it's still so cute. So thank you, Nancy, for the personalized gift, and thank you for the really pretty embellishments and the embellishment book. This is also kind of like a 3D project, I feel. So thank you for that. I know that these don't always take time. I know that these are just, you know, projects that take time. So I really do appreciate you guys for always gifting more than what I asked for. I don't ever expect it, but when I do see it, it's definitely really close to my heart. So thank you for playing along. I cannot wait to post this and share it with everybody else. I hope you guys got inspired, for those of you that seen it, to make, you know, anything that she has created for my giveaway. But I hope you guys have a great day, whatever day it is that y'all are watching this, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!